Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go live on YouTube with your computer or your phone. Really easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. Before I move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my new videos. Alright, let's head over to the computer and get started. Alright, here we are over on my channel. I'm not even in the Creator Studio yet, and the cool thing about this is you don't even have to go to Creator Studio. All you need to do is come up here to this corner right here where this little camera is, and if you click on that, there's going to be a drop down, and just click on Go Live. And now what we want to do is up here we're going to click on webcam. So come over here, click on webcam, and then your webcam will show up. See, you can see me all grayed out there on the background, so it accessed my cam. If this is your first time doing it, you're going to get a little notification that says allow a webcam. You want to allow webcam access and microphone, and then you can create a title. All right, and you can decide if you want to make it public or unlisted or private. I'm going to do just private for now. You could also schedule it for later if you like. You can click on here to more options. And here's where you can add your description if you want. Same thing that you do like for a normal video that you're posting. And you can select your category, and this will it'll already select your onboard camera and microphone that comes with your whatever device that you're using. And then if you go into advanced settings, you can, if you want to allow chat, you can do that. You can do the age restriction if you want, paid promotion, and then also enable monetization if you have that. Click next. And now it did a little countdown for your thumbnail. So there is the thumbnail, and you can change that after the fact too if you want. Or if you're going to schedule it, you can create a thumbnail and put it on there. All right, and then you just click Go Live. And now I am live, and there's a bit of a delay, so it's not going to sync up with my voice. And it looks a little grainy because I don't have all my lights and things turned on. And the camera on my iMac is not the best. It's kind of an old computer. But here we go. I'm sitting here. I am live. And it's not really going out to my followers because I have it set to private. All right. And then when you're done, just come down here and hit End Stream. And if people are chatting, you'll see it over here on the right-hand side. Pretty cool. End stream. Are you sure you want to end the stream? End. And there we go. It is finished. And if you want, you can edit in the studio because it created a video for you. And so here it is. We can see the test stream right here. And we can go in here and edit this if we want. We just click on this. And then we can edit things like we would normally on a normal video. We can add more text if we want, extend the description. We can add a custom thumbnail, add tags and things of that nature. Kind of similar to what you do if you're just uploading a normal video. And then just save your changes, and you can make it, if it was like unlisted or private, then you can just make it public and be on your way. Pretty awesome. And there you go. That's how you go live on YouTube with your computer or phone. Really, really easy. If you want to know how to do it using OBS Studio, I have a video that you can watch over here in this corner. And then also down in the corner, you can subscribe if you like. I'm Matt Taylor. This is my variety channel. Until next time, happy streaming, everyone.